is back and is able to make a play. Talking to Dan Quinn, he said, I think Grady Jarrett could be a guy who could certainly put some pressure on Tom Brady inside. That was
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. What are you doing?
Yep.
Oh no. He's gonna fall.
Right now, a lot of people have told us online that they're praying for a missing Fort Worth woman who was last seen with a
Oh, Matt.
if they used the logo, but leaders didn't feel comfortable with the idea.
Oh my God. The tickles.
That is hilarious.
Fatty Moto, what are you doing?
You should have made him stop.
On the next one. So $8,500. That's a deal. I'm good with that. Thomas
line and have a high assist turnover game going on in terms of how he has valued the ball. But I'm not sure he's a pro guard.
Too fat. Ate too much.
Attack!
kind of scared.
What happened? You stood up. What's on you?
A kitty.
Pokey, what's
No, he's been nice. Ow! Ow!
A red wagon.
Luminator.
Are you 99?
The blue cooler.
He cannot breathe. He can die.
Yes. I want my spotties. I love.
And then hang out at home watching TV.